Get ready, tech enthusiasts. The AI revolution is moving at warp speed, and you absolutely cannot afford to miss these groundbreaking updates. We're diving headfirst into the most electrifying developments shaping our digital future, and you're getting the inside scoop right here, right now. We're kicking things off with a seismic report that could see one of the biggest names in social media potentially joining forces with a tech giant or a leading AI innovator. This move could fundamentally alter the competitive landscape and unlock incredible new possibilities for AI integration. Next up, we're pulling back the curtain on the internal dynamics of a major AI partnership that's already showing signs of significant strain. We'll explore the personnel shifts, the quality concerns, and the strategic realignments that are raising questions about the long-term viability of this collaboration. It's a complex story of ambition, execution, and the harsh realities of the AI race. Then, we shift gears to the high-stakes world of AI intellectual property and intense corporate rivalries. A major lawsuit has been filed, alleging the theft of critical trade secrets between industry titans. We'll break down the accusations, the key players, and what this legal battle could mean for the future of AI development and competition. And finally, we're getting a sneak peek at the cutting-edge tools being developed by one of the leading AI research labs. Get ready for a deep dive into new features designed to give users unprecedented control over AI performance and how you interact with your AI assistants. You won't want to miss this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Meta's AI ambitions, a potential power play with Google or OpenAI. In a move that could dramatically reshape the artificial intelligence landscape, Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is reportedly exploring strategic partnerships with either Google or Microsoft-backed OpenAI. This potential collaboration signals Meta's aggressive push to enhance its AI capabilities and integrate cutting-edge technology across its vast social media empire. The specifics of these discussions are still emerging, but the implications are enormous, suggesting a potential convergence of massive social platforms with leading AI development powerhouses. Sources indicate that Meta is considering leveraging the advanced AI models and infrastructure offered by either Google's AI division or OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. This could involve licensing foundational models, co-developing new AI features, or integrating AI directly into Meta's user-facing products and internal operations. For Meta, the goal is clear: to accelerate its AI development, particularly in areas like generative AI, content moderation, and personalized user experiences. The company has been investing heavily in AI research and development, but partnering with established AI leaders could provide a significant shortcut, allowing them to access state-of-the-art technology and expertise more rapidly than building everything in-house. This potential alliance is particularly interesting given the intense competition in the AI space. Google has its own formidable AI division, developing models like Gemini, and has been a significant player in AI research for years. OpenAI, with its groundbreaking work on GPT models, has captured global attention and is rapidly expanding its influence. A partnership with either entity would grant Meta access to advanced AI architectures, potentially enabling them to create more sophisticated chatbots, generate more engaging content, and improve the overall intelligence of their platforms. For instance, Meta could integrate OpenAI's powerful language models to create more natural and helpful customer service bots on Facebook, or develop advanced content recommendation systems for Instagram. The market impact of such a partnership could be substantial. It would not only strengthen Meta's competitive position against rivals like TikTok and X, formerly Twitter, but also potentially set new industry standards for AI integration in social media. Analysts suggest that if Meta teams up with OpenAI, it could lead to a more unified approach to AI development, potentially creating a powerful ecosystem that challenges the dominance of existing players. Conversely, a partnership with Google might foster a more open, collaborative environment, leveraging Google's vast data resources and cloud infrastructure. The exact nature of the deal, whether it's a licensing agreement, a joint venture, or a deeper integration, will be crucial in determining the long-term implications. industry observers are closely watching these developments, as they could signal a major shift in how large technology companies approach AI innovation. The ability to access and integrate advanced AI models is becoming a critical differentiator, and Meta's potential move highlights the strategic importance of these partnerships. The discussions are ongoing, and the outcome remains uncertain, but the mere exploration of such alliances underscores the relentless pace of innovation and the high stakes involved in the global AI race. Will Meta's AI strategy involve a blockbuster partnership, or are there hidden challenges ahead? Stay tuned as we uncover the first signs of trouble in another major AI collaboration. Meta's AI partnership hits snags. Cracks appear in Scale AI collaboration. Just months after a significant investment and a high-profile leadership integration, Meta's strategic partnership with data labeling vendor Scale AI is reportedly showing signs of significant strain. The collaboration, which saw Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang and top executives join Meta to lead its Superintelligence Labs, MSL, is facing internal challenges, including key personnel departures and reported dissatisfaction with data quality among Meta's researchers. Ruben Mayer, a former senior vice president of Gen AI product and operations at Scale AI, who was brought over to Meta to help run MSL, has reportedly departed the company after only 2 months. While Mayer has disputed some details, stating he was involved with the core TBD labs from day one and not solely focused on data operations, his departure is seen by some as an early indicator of potential friction. This comes amid reports that Meta's TBD Labs is diversifying its data labeling partners, engaging with competitors like Mercer and Surge, even while having made a substantial investment in Scale AI. This diversification is notable, as AI labs typically work with multiple vendors, but Meta's significant investment in Scale AI made this particular partnership seem more exclusive. The core issue appears to stem from perceived data quality. Sources within TBD Labs have reportedly expressed a preference for data from Surge and Mercer over Scale AI's offerings, despite Meta's multi-billion-dollar investment in the latter. Scale AI, which built its business on a crowdsourced model for simpler data labeling tasks, is now facing a market that demands highly specialized, domain-expert input for sophisticated AI models. While Scale AI has attempted to address this with its Outlier platform, competitors built from the ground up with higher-paid talent have gained momentum. A Meta spokesperson has denied quality issues with Scale AI's product, while Scale AI has directed inquiries to its initial investment announcement. The strategic implications extend beyond data quality. Some speculate that Meta's initial investment was also aimed at attracting talent like Alexander Wang. However, reports suggest that several executives from Scale AI are not working directly on the core TBD Labs team. Furthermore, Meta's AI unit has reportedly experienced increased internal chaos since Wang's arrival, with new talent from OpenAI and Scale AI expressing frustration with corporate bureaucracy, and the existing Gen AI team seeing its scope reduced. This internal turbulence follows Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg's frustration with the company's AI progress, particularly after the launch of Llama 4. Meta's broader AI strategy involves aggressive recruitment of top talent from competitors like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic, alongside acquisitions of AI voice startups. The company is also making massive investments in data center infrastructure. However, attempts to recruit renowned AI figures like OpenAI's Mark Chen or acquire startups led by Ilya Sutskever and Myra Murati were unsuccessful. The departure of key researchers, including Rishabh Agarwal, Chaya Nayak, and Rohan Varma, further raises questions about Meta's ability to stabilize its AI operations and retain the talent needed for its ambitious goals, including the rumored launch of its next-generation AI model by the end of the year. As Meta navigates these internal challenges, another major AI player is facing a legal storm. We're now turning to a high-profile lawsuit alleging industrial espionage between leading AI firms. AI espionage alleged. xAI sues former engineer over stolen trade secrets. Elon Musk's artificial intelligence startup, xAI, has initiated legal action against a former engineer, Zuchen Lee, accusing him of stealing confidential trade secrets related to its Grok chatbot and illicitly transferring them to OpenAI. The lawsuit, filed in a California federal court, claims that Lee misappropriated proprietary information concerning cutting-edge AI technologies with features superior to those offered by ChatGPT, shortly after accepting a position at OpenAI earlier this month. The complaint highlights the escalating rivalry between xAI and OpenAI, alongside the broader, intense competition among tech giants for AI talent and technological superiority. This legal battle is the latest in a series of confrontations between Musk and OpenAI. Musk, a co-founder of OpenAI, has previously sued the organization and its CEO, Sam Altman, alleging a departure from its original mission. OpenAI, in turn, countersued Musk for harassment. Furthermore, xAI recently filed a separate lawsuit against OpenAI and Apple in Texas, alleging monopolistic practices in the AI chatbot market on Apple devices. According to xAI's lawsuit, Lee was employed as an engineer from last year, contributing significantly to the training and development of the Grok chatbot. The company asserts that Lee absconded with its trade secrets in July, just after securing a job offer from OpenAI and liquidating $7 million worth of xAI stock. xAI contends that the stolen information could enable OpenAI to enhance ChatGPT with xAI's proprietary advancements and innovative features. The lawsuit further alleges that Lee confessed to downloading company files and attempting to conceal his actions during a meeting on August 14. Subsequent investigations reportedly uncovered additional stolen material on his devices that he had failed to disclose. xAI is seeking unspecified monetary damages and a restraining order to prevent Lee's employment at OpenAI. The outcome of this lawsuit could have significant implications for intellectual property rights and competitive practices within the rapidly evolving AI industry. It underscores the critical importance of safeguarding proprietary information and the potential legal ramifications for employees who move between competing AI firms. This case is emblematic of the high-stakes environment in AI development, where intellectual property is a key battleground. The ability to protect unique algorithms, training data, and architectural innovations is paramount for maintaining a competitive edge. As companies like xAI and OpenAI push the boundaries of AI capabilities, the mechanisms for protecting their innovations become increasingly vital. The lawsuit serves as a stark reminder that the race for AI dominance involves not only rapid development, but also rigorous defense of intellectual assets. The legal proceedings will likely shed light on the specific nature of the alleged trade secrets and the extent of their potential impact on OpenAI's products. It also raises broader questions about employee mobility, non-disclosure agreements, and the ethical considerations surrounding the transfer of sensitive information between major tech competitors. The industry will be watching closely to see how this legal dispute unfolds and what precedent it might set for future cases of alleged IP theft in the AI sector. While legal battles rage, innovation continues at a breakneck pace. We're now shifting focus to the latest user-facing enhancements being tested by a leading AI research lab, offering more control and flexibility. OpenAI experiments with enhanced user control, effort selectors, and conversation branching revealed. OpenAI is actively testing new features within its ChatGPT platform aimed at providing users with greater control over the AI's performance and conversational flow. Recent observations indicate the development of an effort selector, UI, allowing users to fine-tune the computational resources allocated to each task, and a new conversation branching functionality that enables users to explore different conversational paths from a single point. These features, primarily being tested with Pro and Enterprise users, are designed to offer more granular control over the AI's thinking effort, internally referred to as juice. The updated selector places the choice for this effort in a more prominent position, making it easier to adjust. A max setting, reportedly capped at 200 juice, suggests a move towards more precise management of computational depth per task. While no official release timeline has been announced, such tests typically precede a wider rollout if user feedback proves positive. The current iteration of the ChatGPT web app reportedly includes settings for max thinking, 200 juice, extended thinking, 48, standard thinking, 18, and light thinking, 5, alongside other experimental features like displaying models in the plus menu and indicating the selected model. The introduction of conversation branching is another significant development. This feature allows users to revisit a previous message in a chat and initiate a new conversational path from that point. This capability is particularly beneficial for researchers, power users, and anyone conducting comparative analyses or exploring multiple prompt variations. It aims to reduce the friction associated with retracing steps or exploring different approaches when initial outcomes are not optimal. The feature is expected to be integrated directly into the chat UI, enhancing the user experience for complex or iterative tasks. These advancements reflect OpenAI's commitment to making its powerful AI models more accessible and manageable for a broader user base. The focus on thinking effort selection and conversation branching appears to be a direct response to user feedback requesting more control and transparency without compromising usability. For teams utilizing AI in research, development, or production environments, these potential upgrades could significantly streamline prompt engineering, improve workflow efficiency, and facilitate better tracking of results across diverse or lengthy projects. The development of these features underscores OpenAI's ongoing efforts to refine the user experience of its AI offerings. By providing tools that allow for more nuanced control over AI processing and conversation management, OpenAI is catering to a growing demand for sophisticated, yet user-friendly AI interaction. The ability to easily branch conversations, for example, could revolutionize how users experiment with AI, enabling them to compare different AI responses side by side without losing context or having to restart entire dialogues. These user-centric improvements are crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the fast-paced AI market. As AI models become more complex, the need for intuitive interfaces and robust control mechanisms grows. OpenAI's proactive approach to incorporating user feedback and developing advanced features positions it to meet the evolving needs of its user community, from individual enthusiasts to large enterprise clients. As we wrap up today's deep dives, let's quickly recap the biggest stories. Get ready for a lightning-fast rundown of all the crucial AI news you need to know. And that's a wrap on today's essential AI updates. We covered Meta's potential AI power plays, the surprising cracks forming in Meta's partnership with Scale AI, the high-stakes legal battle between xAI and OpenAI's innovative new user control features. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for your daily dose of AI news, and smash that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Plus, let us know your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.